Welcome back to Maxinescorner. I think my singing is getting better. What do you think? Yes or no? I'm just kidding. Listen, so before I get started on this video, if you are new to the channel, welcome, and thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you. And if you're not subscribed, why not? You love healthy tips, you love healthy foods, and you love to be healthy. So go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. It says subscribe. So just go ahead and hit that link that says subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you won't miss another video. That's how you're gonna get your notifications, right? Check out our weight loss support group. I'm gonna be doing a 2-day intense cleanse, just green smoothies for 2 days. Don't worry, it's gonna be all on the channel, day 1 and day 2, so you won't be missing that as well. So stay tuned for that. I do have videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. I do try my best to stick to that schedule. And some days it'll be Wednesdays and Fridays, but I do try to stick to the schedule, Tuesdays and Fridays. In today's video, I went to WEGMANS, and that grocery store is so huge. It's crazy. So I bought a bunch of stuff, vegan stuff of course, and I'm gonna show you. Come grocery shopping with me. I'll show you what I got, my vegan grocery haul at WEGMANS, and let's get started. Let me show you what I got, right? So the first thing I got was and this is the WEGMANS brand. Look at it. This is the clean and cut, and it says rainbow salad, and it's broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and red cabbage. Now what I like about this is that it's easy for me. So if you have the time and you can meal prep in advance, now this is perfect for you to use for meal prepping. You can use it for salad. Get this, put it in a bowl, and get some tomatoes, and just throw it in there with a lemon slice, and just add a little bit of salt, and that could be your salad dressing. Sprinkle a little almonds on top of it, and voila, a wonderful weight loss recipe is there for you. So a simple, yes. Oh guys, just to let you know, now I am a certified holistic nutritionist as well as a certified sports nutritionist. I am really excited about it. This is the WEGMANS brand, the triple wash snow peas. Love these. And what I'm gonna use this for is I'm probably gonna make some miso soup. So look here. Can you see it? Can you see it? So this is the organic miso, and once again, this is non-GMO, and it's certified non-GMO, and that's what I love. When you see that certified non-GMO, you know that it's definitely non-GMO. Some cauliflower. What I love about this is that it's so versatile. What I can do, I can bake it, I can steam it, I can make pizza crust. This is very versatile. Organic flax and chia blend. OMG. You know, I was so happy when I saw chia and flaxseed blend. I love this because I could just sprinkle it over my food. I love it in smoothies. I could put it in my oatmeal. Anything that you could think of, you can use this for. Okay, so now don't forget, packed full of omega-3s and 4 grams of fiber. Okay. Need I say more? Okay. Almond milk. Now almond milk, this almond vanilla milk is really for my kids. They love the vanilla flavor and they love it sweetened. And I also got the Vegemino. So this is the vanilla Vegemino milk. I love this, love this, love this. Romaine lettuce heart. And what I love about this is that how I would do this is, aside from putting it in a salad, when I make my vegan tuna salad, I'll link a video up below how I make my vegan tuna, and you can check that video out once you finish watching this one, how to make the vegan tuna. And I would just put this inside the vegan tuna and just crunch. It is so delicious, such a great crunch. This could be a snack. It's absolutely great for you. Radishes, radishes. Oh, I lost a leaf. No problem. It's only a leaf. Anyway, so it's perfect. It's beautiful spring colors, yes. Okra. So this is a fancy okra. I love okra. It's perfect for soup, and some people like to fry it. You can throw it in the oven. There's so many different things that you can do with this. Sprouted wheat flour, sprouted wheat flour, sprouted wheat flour. 100% whole grain. Love it. And it's great tasting, and it's a good source of fiber. As you may see here, I do get a lot of stuff that's packed full of protein, fiber, and also great calcium, okay? Because that's always the big question. Where do I get my calcium? There's so many different places that you can get your calcium. It doesn't always have to be from dairy. Here I have my Ezekiel bread, and I love this bread because it's a sprouted bread. Perfect for sandwiches, and it's very thick and hearty, fills you up. I like to have this with some avocados and some tomatoes on top. I'm gonna leave a link for one of my videos and how I use this particular bread and what I make with it. So, you know, I went a little kombucha crazy, and I think I got about like 4 or 5, but I do like to make my own kombucha. And as you may know, kombucha is pretty much fermented tea with the kombucha flavor itself. And I also have I love this one. This is the Pink Lady Apple. So these are some of my favorite flavors that I got. Bubbly probiotic fermented tea. And that's pretty much it for my vegan healthy grocery haul for today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out some of these other videos, and I'll see you guys next time. And what? Stay healthy.